Hello everyone, presenting to you nutrition in liquid form. It's a keto twist on an old Indian recipe which is staple for growing Indian kids. It's a healthy almond milk flavored with saffron and cardamom that will be loved by everyone. So let's get cooking. Ingredients are cream, almonds, sweetener, saffron and cardamoms. Soak the almonds in hot water for about 30 minutes, or you can soak them in room temperature water overnight. Now peel the almonds. As you can see, skin comes out very easily. In a grinder jar, add peeled almonds and cardamom seeds. If you have cardamom powder, then you can directly add powder in the cream. Now add 2 tablespoons of water and grind this into desired consistency. I like to keep it grainy because I enjoy bits of almonds in my milk. In a saucepan, add cream, 2 tablespoons of water and saffron strands and let it simmer on a medium heat. Make sure you stir it intermittently to avoid burning and sticking at the bottom. After 10 to 12 minutes, add almond paste and stir it well and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes more. Friends, the saffron doesn't only enhance the flavor, it turns this drink from a tasty to a healthy one because saffron has several antioxidants that can greatly benefit your health. After 7 minutes, add sweetener and mix it properly. Now it's ready. It will get thickened after refrigerating. You can serve it hot or chilled. I personally like chilled version, so I refrigerate my drink for 2 hours. Garnish with sliced almonds, pistachios and saffron strands. Hope you enjoy this delicious, creamy and healthy drink. Thanks for watching.